Hello mga ka-cycling mania. So welcome back for another video. So in this video naman i-feature ko naman sa inyo itong aking nabili na second hand na Shimano BR-805. Ito ay isang brake calipers from Shimano. Ito siya. Nakikita nyo. Ito ang aking feature ngayon. At gagawa natin siya ng konting review. So sa mga nagbabalak na bumili nito, hindi ko pa na-try, kaya re-review natin siya. Tara, subaybayan nyo. Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to Cycling Mania. So just a quick review for the Shimano BR-TX805. So this is the item that we are going to make a review, Shimano one. So this is a mechanical disc brake calipers for MTB, and its lineup is in the TOURNEY TX. So yung lineup nito is sa TOURNEY entry level lineup. And this type of entry level lineup is manufactured in China, as you can see. Ito yung kanya brand, BR-TX805, manufactured in China, via China. And by the way, this is a square type brakes, which is claimed to be 20% more wider on BRM-416. This is also a single piston. So what I mean in single piston, on this side is only the one who moves and clamps so that it may break. It will break, I mean breaking. So the body composition of this item is I think made out of alloy, and then this is I think that's steel. So I got my magnet there just for a minute.
A few inches later.
So this is my magnet from my destroyed hard disk. This is a very strong magnet. So let's make a magnet test on each component. First, we're going to test this body. So it won't magnet, but it does go in here. So it is probably a steel, as you can see. Steel. And the bolt is also steel. Here is also steel. This is a plastic. Can you hear it? Then the adapter is alloy. So and then let's try to test the weight of these items. By the way, it has a free IS mount to post mount adapter, which is I think this is for 140 to 160 mm rotor on front. and this other one is for 160 to 180, I think, maybe. And let's go try and test it for its actual weight. So here is my weight scale, weighing scale. Then let's turn it on. Just wait until became 00, then 00. For the first one, the actual weight of this is having the IS mount for 160 to 180 is 237.7 grams. The other one is 234.9 grams. Okay. Let's go try and check without the adapter. Let's remove the adapter.
So, what is the actual weight of its caliper? Few moments later.
So, the actual weight of this per caliper is, without the adapter, is 205, 206.1 grams. Okay, so that would be the actual weight. And weight these two, which is I remove all the mounting adapter. So let's try and weight this here. 204. What did just happened? And then the other one is here, 410.1 grams. Let's repeat it if it is really that's the weight. Yeah, it is still 410.1 grams. So the actual weight of these two calipers is 410.1 grams without the adapter. So this is the adapter, which is for 140, 160, 180, 160. So the weight 35.7 grams. And I did both this only for both this for a second for the price of 500 pesos only, but it's still brand new and never been used. And then the price range of these items, I think, in online shop and bike shop is 1,200 to 1,500 pesos, the SRP. And that's all, I think. And by the way, this is the adjusting pad to move this pad, as you can see, making it more narrower or wider for the, now it is more narrower. When you make it more wider, you must move it. Yes, here it is wider now, which is a better. So I'm going to rate these calipers. For the build quality, I'm going to rate this 4/5, which is mabigat kasi, pero maganda yung pagkakabuild niya kasi halatang matataba siya. And then For the weight, I would rate this 3/5 kasi mabigat siya, unlike dun sa mga iba pang nagamit kong calipers na magaan talaga, mga pang road bike ganun. And for the braking power rate ko, di ko pa sure kasi di ko pa siya nagamit eh. Soon siguro I will give that rating. And thanks for watching guys. Kung nagustuhan nyo man yung video na to, paka-like, share, and subscribe naman po sa ating channel for more uploads and more reviews. Thank you and goodbye.